Hi, Gianna here from Gianna's Kitchen. You are in my kitchen. And this is episode 2 from a long hiatus, and I'm back. And today you are going to see me garnish and assemble this lemon blueberry 6-inch 3-layer cake. We will be garnishing with blueberries, fresh blueberries, and strawberries. It'll be the perfect welcome to spring cake, and I am excited to have you in the kitchen with me today. All right, so this cake is a 6-inch fresh lemon and blueberry cake, and I've assembled it with my signature vanilla bean buttercream. I've left the edges rustic, so when I was going around with my scraper, I did not scrape off the top. I love this textured height look. It definitely gives the cake more height, and I think it looks more organic. So now what I'm going to do is I have a piping bag here with a round piping tip. I believe this is number 6, possibly. And I'm just gonna pipe and drag around the bottom of the cake and actually the top of the cake, even though I have a lip here. Now, you don't want too much in your bag, so you can work with it. And I'm just gonna dot and drag. All right, this is a better angle for the dot and pull method. This is a great way to kind of complete your cake by giving it a bottom border. Even though I have rustic edges, I'm still going to go over the top. So just going to make a dot and pull. This also hides any imperfections that you might have at the bottom of the cake. Just makes it look more elegant, in my opinion, and it's kind of a signature bottom border that I do. We're gonna do a little bit on the top as well. Scoot this closer to me. There we go. I kind of like it. We're going to be putting fresh strawberries and blueberries on top, so it's going to hide some of that. But this is the look that we are going for. So I have fresh strawberries here, and I just washed them and I cut them in half. I love to keep the leaves on the strawberries. I think it looks pretty and organic. And you have to heavily pat these dry. You do not want strawberry juice dripping on your cake. The same thing with the blueberries. They will be dry and ready to go on the cake. So I'm gonna kind of diagonally garnish. I'm gonna do a little bit right here and then on the opposite side down on the cake. Really, it's just wherever you want strawberries to be. You can have them face up and face down. I think I'm gonna do face down. This is where you get to be creative. Kind of put things where you want it. Really make sure your strawberries are dry. There's no right or wrong way to do this. I'm actually going to put a little bit of frosting on my strawberry to make sure that it will stick to the side of the cake. I like to put dots of frosting on the back of the fruit to secure it. And I like for both sides of the strawberries to show, just to give it some definition. And really that's it. Sometimes less is more when you are decorating. This cake was meant to be a simple fruit cake. Well, lemon blueberry, but with fresh fruit to garnish it. And once we've achieved that goal, we're done, we can stop. So I'm pretty satisfied with the garnishment of the fresh fruit. I'm gonna clean up a little bit and I will show you how I stage this cake on a pretty cake stand. And that'll be it for today. This is the finished product and I would display it from this angle so it's kind of diagonal. Anytime you are garnishing on the top of the cake, you kind of want to do a diagonal spin on the bottom. This is my absolute favorite cake stand of the moment. I think I counted the other day, I have around 40 nooks and crannies all over the kitchen, down below, on top. But this one right now, it's a galvanized with a little bit of a braid here and it's tall. I love tall cake stands. And it's 8-inch, so it fits a 6-inch cake perfectly. But here you go, this is the finish. This would be my version of how I would like to decorate a lemon blueberry cake with fresh fruit, strawberries and blueberries for garnishment. Simple, my simple design with the beading on top, the rustic edges, the beading on the bottom. And this is my whipped vanilla bean buttercream. That is my go-to for all my cakes. So I hope that you enjoyed today. You could take a box mix or any kind of cake that you want and decorate it with fresh fruit, a little bit of beading at the bottom, and you could make what might be a simple cake come to life and look beautiful. So thank you for joining me. Thank you for being here today. If you like what you saw, leave me a comment or a question. You can press the subscribe button. And also I am by Gianna Bakery on Facebook and Instagram and all the other social media links. So thank you again for being here. It means a lot to me. Have a great day.